I'm Chaya Rivka Zwolinski, and this is bribreslov.org. Rebbe Nachman famously taught that if we believe we can destroy, we must believe we can repair. We've all done things in our lives, sometimes in the past and sometimes today, that we wish we hadn't done. We've broken things. We've broken important spiritual vessels. We've harmed ourselves. We've harmed others. And we would like to make things better, but we don't know how. The first step is belief. If you believe you have the power to destroy, believe you have the corresponding power to make things better, to fix them. Get advice from the true tzaddikim, especially Rebbe Nachman of Breslov. Speak to Hashem and ask Him to help you make things better. And start over. Pick yourself up and start over as often as you need until you feel you've really accomplished. May you have a day in which you believe you are able to heal your life.